What's up, everyone? This is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, here, coming to you live and direct from Pain Free Me Home Studios in Bangkok, Thailand. I decided to do this live today because I want to share with you, my blueprint that I use to help people transition safely from, working behind their desk for 8 to 10 hours and then going to the gym. Because in this time period, from when we walk away from our desks till we get into the gym or we go onto the playing field, this is where the most injuries happen. All right, and me just being in this industry for so long, I just noticed there's not a lot of information out there that helps you to transition safely from, working, sitting for long periods of time into, playing sports, to be able to enhance your physical vitality. And that's why, I'm launching, my program, PostureFit, the blueprint for pain-free sports and gym sessions. Okay, this is a long time coming. Again, working with thousands of desk-bound modern-day workers like yourself, helping them with their neck and back pain. I have kind of discovered, why they are constantly injuring themselves. Why can't they, hit those new PRs? Why can't they go on the field, without, falling down, half dead? It's because of your natural posture reflex. Okay. And I say natural posture reflex because this position, like here, this forward slump position with the forward head posture, is the easiest position for you to get into. All right. So as soon as you sit down, it can be, working or watching some movies on Netflix, you automatically revert to this posture. Okay. When we stay in this posture for long periods of time, it really compresses our lungs, our diaphragm. We're unable to breathe in deep, taking those deep breaths to help, repair our body and also to get more energy. And also being in this forward slump position decreases our range of motion. So for example, if you're like this, it's going to be hard for you to get your hands over your head because, again, you're slumped over. You are decreasing your range of motion in your shoulders. So with PostureFit, this is all about, unlocking pain-free performance in movement and in lifting. And this is an online workshop that that's going to be launching next week, September 28th at 7:30 p.m. This is going to be live, and I'm literally going to walk you through the steps that I do to help people to have that transition from the desk to the gym or the playing field. And this workshop is perfect for those who want to lift heavier and pain-free, and also those who want to be able to get out the field and not have to worry about rolled ankles or any kind of knee issues. So with this workshop, I'm going to actually show you how to do a digital posture assessment. And I'm also going to show you the new way to unlocking pain-free movement and lifting, okay? This is something that a lot of people are not talking about, but this is the new way to really have a pain-free body and pain-free movement. And lastly, I'm going to be showing you some corrective exercises that are going to help you to be able to stop on a dime and help you to, to maintain that good balance so you can be that, high performance, desk-bound athlete. So these are some really great things that I'm bringing to you. And, like I said, I want you to go ahead and click the link in the bio so you can find out more. This is an online workshop that, anyone can join from no matter where you are in this world. So it'll be going live next week, the 28th at 7 p.m. But don't worry, if you can't make it at 7 p.m., you're going to have the lifetime replay. So you could be able to check this out anytime that your schedule permits. Again, this is PostureFit. This is my blueprint to pain-free sports and gym sessions. I want you guys to really click the link in the bio and check it out and reserve your spot today. And this is for, like I said, those people who are sitting behind their desk for long periods of time, who transition from the desk and going out to the playing field or going to go lift in the gym. Okay, this is how you are able to move in pain-free and really upgrade your physical vitality. All right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to direct message me. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions, and you can also leave them in the comments. All right, everyone, this is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, saying have a pain-free day. And don't forget to click the link in the bio to check out PostureFit Blueprint for pain-free sports and gym sessions. All right, everyone, have a pain-free day. Until next time.